Have you got one of these to dismantle a spiral bound book? It's something I end up doing with my clients a lot because we've probably all got experience of trying to dismantle one of these wrong. So if you just rip the pages off one at a time, what happens is you get lots of tiny little bits of paper that just go everywhere. And if you just tug in the wrong place at the spiral binding, what happens is it just won't come, and probably eventually will just tear through in the same way and send loads of little bits of paper flying everywhere. So I know how to unbind them, and so it's something I quite often do for my clients, and I just thought it might be handy to make a little video to show you how to do it. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy people like you from the shackles of clutter and chaos for peace of mind and productivity, because when your home works, your life works. And if you find this video useful, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Okay, so this is how you do it. What I've got here is two different types of spiral bound book. So the first thing is to look and see what kind of spiral binding you've got. This one just goes round and round and round and round and round. Whereas this one, it's got a more complex system. It's really beaten up. This genuinely is a book that I'm actually getting rid of, and it's old and beaten up. But can you see, I'll hold it near to the camera, that you've got these, the way the binding goes, it comes up and round, and then so you've got these hooks that come over the top, and then on this side you've got the hooks lying flat along, or going horizontally along the binding. Can you see that? So I'm going to show you this one separately because it's a slightly more complex one. This one is the easiest of all. This one just goes round and round and round, and all you need to do is turn it. So as you turn it, it will come through and undo. A little bit laborious, but it does save you putting loads of tiny little bits of paper all over the room. So how far have I got? You see, that's come out some of the way now. So you just got to keep that up, and that will eventually be completely unbound. For this one, what you do is you lay the book on a table, on the edge of a table, with that binding that goes along the book at the bottom. This might not go totally smoothly because this one is so beaten up. If it was a very undamaged binding, this would go more easily, but let's see how it goes. So you get a hold of it somewhere in the middle, bend out one of those horizontal tabs. There we go, bend it out. Get a good grip on it and just pull. Let's push the first one through there, but here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. You see that? There, you see that? It's out. No little bits of paper everywhere. It's a little bit, you know, I had to tug quite hard, but so much neater than just tearing each page out. There you go, into the paper recycling. Sadly, I think these are probably just going in the bin, but at least there's not a great big mess all over my living room floor. See you in the next video.